Hello, my name is Joel, and I have a habit of buying a new iPhone pretty much every single year. As soon as Apple announces them, it is a problem, I know, but I thought I might as well film it. I'm terrible at this, so please excuse my lack of professionalism, but I'm going to give it a shot and try it out. So I decided to get the black iPhone 16 in 128 gig. I usually get the white model or the blue model. This year I thought might as well go a little bit different. I like the black version, so went with that. What else did we get? I got the silicon case, the MagSafe silicon case in stone grey. It was between this and the green color, whatever the green color was. I cannot remember. Forest green, maybe. I'll put it in the screen what it was. Lastly, I got some Airpods. The Airpods 4 with active noise cancellation. Is that gonna focus? Yes, I thought might as well get some new AirPods. The last AirPods I had were the Gen 2s and they sucked. I hated them. So that's what I have. And I'm going to unbox them for you. I have done this intro about 10 times, so I'm not gonna stop now. I'm just gonna keep going, and if I stuff up, I stuff up. So let's do this. I love the new pull tabs. Like it's all just paper. Let's see. Put that there for now. The grand reveal. Ooh, that is cool. I like a lot. I like this new, I guess it's old, but it's new. Old is new again. Camera layout. I think it looks very nice. So what's in the box? Literally nothing is in the box anymore. What the heck? Wow. Yeah, I like the black. The black looks cool. You'll notice the new shutter button. I'm already smudging it. That looks cool. I like it a lot. I like a lot. I'll put it here. What's in the box? So you've got the SIM removal tool. They've completely changed it from last year too, actually. I need that, so I'm going to take it out. Put it there. And yeah, USB-C cable. Interesting. Oh. There's literally nothing else in there. Wow. Okay. So they're really cutting down on packaging. Oh no, Apple stickers too. That's wild. Okay. Well, there you go. That is it. I'm gonna do the famous peel. Ooh, that looks cool. That is nice. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It's been a while since I've had a black iPhone. Probably the iPhone 5S, I reckon, was the last time I had a black iPhone. Come on, focus. Yeah, sick. Looks nice. Okay, now for the case. Let's open her up. See what's in here. I mean, it's going to be a case. Oh, damn, that's way nicer than I thought that was going to look. That is a really nice color, actually. That's probably my favorite looking case, maybe ever, in terms of color. Yeah, damn. I like it. It's sort of like gray, but like slightly tinted. Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. Fun. I'm going to put this on now, actually. looks sick. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It's a really nice color. It's like, it's like gray, but not. I guess it's what it says. It's stone gray. What was it again? I forget. Stone gray. Yeah, sick. I like that a lot. Let's turn this baby on. Hello. Oh, that cloth, by the way, is over my microphone so I don't make it sound awful. Yeah, I'm not used to... I've been on an iPhone SE for the past few weeks, so this is massive in comparison. Yeah, damn. Nice. Cool. Apologies for that. My iPhone just completely quit on me. I'm filming with my iPhone SE up here, which is why the quality is probably terrible. But it went into setup mode and quit the camera, so that was fun. Okay, let's open the Airpods 4. I feel like I'm doing a terrible job at laying everything out, but what can you do? Okay, let's open the Airpods. I'm keen to see what the sound quality is like with these because the 2s were terrible, but my partner has the AirPods Pro and apparently they're awesome. So I'm keen to try these out. Hopefully they're a step up. Damn, they are tiny. The heck? They are so much smaller than what I'm used to. Damn, this is so small. This is so much smaller than what I'm used to. Wow. They really utilized every single like bit of space in here. So my camera turned off again because when I opened the AirPods, it went into setup mode again. I am having zero luck today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly set these up with this iPhone, clean this all up, and then I'm going to set this up and then I'll be back once everything's set up. Hello, I'm back now. I had a chance to set up my iPhone and also I paired my new AirPods 4 to the iPhone as well and had a chance to check out some music playing through the AirPods 4 and all I can say is wow. They are so much better than the AirPods 2 which I was originally using before these. And I would even go as far as saying that I enjoy the sound better on these than what I do on my Beats headphones. So I used a pair of Beats Solos for a few years and I really enjoyed them. And then recently I upgraded to the Beats Studio Pro. These are the new ones that just came out. It was about 550 Australian dollars. And look, this shouldn't make sense. This shouldn't make sense at all because, I mean, you look at the size difference. These are tiny and these are like over-ear studio style headphones. And I like the sound on these way better. The noise cancelling isn't as great. I don't think it could ever be as great as either over-ear or the AirPods Pro. But the sound quality, the bass on this is actually so good compared to what it used to be. And I would say it's actually more balanced overall in terms of the sound than these, which has really kind of shocked me a little bit. But yeah, damn, I'm so keen to use these more and kind of put them through their paces and see how long they last and whatever else. So I'm genuinely shocked. I was not expecting much, honestly, especially considering that they are the cheaper version of the Pros. So they're not the Pros, they're just the standard AirPods. But yeah, damn, I would recommend these already from the small amount of time that I've had with them. But yeah, I'm going to play around with my new iPhone, set it up, and I might have a video, I don't know, explaining my thoughts on everything. But yeah, this is basically my first video about unboxing iPhones and Apple products. So let me know what you think in the comments, if there's anyone even watching this. And yeah, I will catch you in the next one, hopefully. Okay, bye.